This was not just a palace, but a vast city built to control every life within. At its heart sat the emperor, where power was absolute and nothing moved without command. Behind these walls, power moved in silence, shaped by status, distance, and what was never said. They moved through every space, unseen, unnoticed, yet holding the rhythm of the entire palace. Everything here followed a pattern, precise, controlled, and never meant to be broken. There was no noise here, only silence, and the constant feeling of being watched. During the day, the palace moved constantly, every role defined, every step controlled. Every interaction followed strict ritual, where rank decided how you stood, moved, and even looked. Even meals followed strict systems, prepared, delivered, and presented with absolute precision. By day, the palace never stopped. Yet every movement remained controlled. Movement inside followed fixed paths, where direction, distance, and timing were strictly controlled. Tasks were assigned with precision, each role defined by rank and strict hierarchy. Every space was monitored, and even movement required awareness of where you stood.
Access was restricted, and only a few were allowed beyond this point.
Even a meal here was ritual, defined by balance, order, and absolute control.
While power dined in silence, others ate quickly, without comfort or pause.
Everything worked together, a system where every role, every action, stayed in perfect order. As the sun set, the movement faded, and the palace slowly returned to silence.